You can't fall in love if you're still heartbroken from a previous relationship. You can't fall in love if you're afraid to trust your new partner. The only way you will be able to fall in love with someone is to learn to let yourself go. Trust your own judgment. Enjoy the moment. Live as if your present life is meant to be. Don't doubt yourself. Do your best. Nobody can easily predict the future. We can only guess. Allow your partner to prove themselves to you as you prove yourself to them. One of the biggest mistakes preventing a person from falling in love is not letting go of the past. Learn from your past mistakes, but never treat your new partner like your previous one. If this is your first relationship, take it easy, because you have an entire lifetime to master the art of love. The best parts of life are those where you live in the present moment. The magic of true love only occurs with a peaceful mind and a calm heart. Learn to make love to your partner slowly, focusing on sensual contact instead of focusing only on the main movements. If your partner loves every part of you as much as you love every part of them, nothing should go wrong, unless one or both of you forgets just how much you both mean to each other, each and every single day, without flaw. If your relationship feels exhausting, mediocre, or unsatisfying, it means you are falling out of love with your partner. Much like hitting a bullseye on a dartboard, every day is an opportunity to remain in the center, an opportunity to be a winning couple forever, without any doubt. Fear is your number one enemy when attempting to fall in love with someone you want to spend the rest of your life with. In life, one may lose a battle or two, perhaps even 3, but it will always be up to you to stay in the battlefield of love, to eventually be someone's hero, to truly live happily ever after.